handcuffs.
Touch me.
You need to stay out of the vehicle.
I don't care, don't touch me. Out my face, don't touch me.
Don't
touch me.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Uncovered. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. If you enjoy these types of videos, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. In this breakdown, officers encounter multiple suspects connected to a vehicle reported stolen from a family member. What begins with officers trying to sort out who's involved quickly becomes more difficult as the suspect's behavior starts creating additional problems. The breakdown starts now.
Is there an infraction?
Yeah, there is. Is this your vehicle, sir?
No, sir. This is my grandmother's vehicle.
Your grandmother? What's your grandmother's name? Okay. Can we come out real quick?
That's fine.
Okay, does that make sense now why we're stopping you?
I totally understand, but I told them that it was stolen by my
that's fine.
cousin's
so until we can verify that, we're gonna make sure that's not the right vehicle, okay? Because people actually put plates on there, so this plate comes back stolen.
That's fine.
Which is why we stopped it right now, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a license on you?
No, sir. But I do have my ID.
Yeah, you should probably start working on that. Go ahead and take a seat real quick.
Thank you.
We'll get that figured out.
Right now?
No, we're not done yet.
Do you have an ID on you, dear? Huh?
Do you have insurance?
I'll prove it in court.
What?
I'll prove it in court.
Okay, that's fine. Is your grandmother on? Is that your grandmother's car? Is she on the way? I'd be on until she's here.
The stolen plate is only part of what officers are trying to verify. Now they also have an unlicensed driver and questions about the vehicle's ownership. Each new detail gives officers another reason to slow this down and confirm exactly what they're dealing with.
Right around the corner. It's on Third Street. You can follow me back there.
You said an hour, correct? We're not going to wait an hour. We're gonna take your vehicle.
Bro.
Okay.
What are you towing a vehicle for if the
registered owner's on the way? You said she's going to be here in an hour.
on the way. I'm not about to call her. That shit.
Don't be.
Yeah, bro. What am I doing that for? Bro, what are you taking me for if I'm about to call her back? I live right around the corner. Stay in the car.
Are you for real?
Yeah, stay in the car.
No, don't do that.
Stay in the car.
Yeah, no, y'all blowing it. We're not doing shit to y'all.
This ain't your traffic
I don't give a f. I'm in this car. This is our granny car. No type of
We need you out of the vehicle. Get out of the car.
Y'all weird. Okay, I'm
Get out of the car.
This car first.
Grab your car. Get out of the car now.
I'm grabbing my stuff.
Get out of the vehicle.
Y'all blowing it.
Get out of the vehicle.
Get off of me. Don't touch me.
You need to stop obstructing.
Don't touch
You are
me.
obstructing.
Don't touch
You need to stop
me.
yelling.
Don't touch me. Out my face. Don't touch me.
Her reaction is showing officers that verbal direction alone isn't gaining compliance. With her becoming increasingly confrontational, officers now have to decide whether continued verbal commands are productive or whether a more direct response is needed.
You need to stand over there.
Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Bring it back.
You're blowing it. What y'all doing that for? Y'all are weird. Y'all are weird as f. What y'all doing that? Stop. Y'all fucking weird. No, bitch, move. Fuck. You're weak. Move. Stop. You're weak. I promise you ain't stronger than me. I promise you're not.
The handcuffs may limit what she can do, but they don't automatically give officers control. If she continues physically resisting, officers still have to stabilize her movement before they can safely move forward.
Stop.
Get off of me. What the f are you doing? And I'm right here. Move.
You need to stop.
No. Get off of me.
You need to stop resisting.
Move. I'm trying to sit here. Move.
No.
Get the f off of me.
Stop! I'm not playing with you! Stop it right now!
This is not your traffic stop.
Okay?
You're
All rats! You're
I
don't care! We're not playing like you!
Get off of me.
Her continued resistance is forcing officers to spend more time just trying to gain control. As repeated commands fail, officers are likely reaching the point where they'll change tactics rather than continue the same approach.
Move. Y'all weird. Ain't nobody do shit. Y'all weird as f. Ain't nobody do shit to y'all. Let me go. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all corny as f.
We need a back seat.
Get off of me.
Door open.
I didn't do shit to y'all. Bro, help me. Bro, record these with that.
Door open.
Y'all weird on my
Get in the car.
The incident ended with officers taking the woman into custody after the confrontation continued. There was no additional information provided about charges or the court outcome. What stands out here is how quickly repeated non-compliance changed the officer's approach. Once verbal commands stopped producing cooperation, their focus shifted toward gaining physical control and completing the arrest. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this situation? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think the officer handled the situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.